One of the biggest mistakes that I see Etsy sellers make every single year, I also made this mistake my first couple years on Etsy, is that they fill their shops with only Christmas and holiday specific products for Q4 season. And while this might seem like a good idea at first, it actually could hurt your shop in the long run. Let me explain. Yes, if you list only holiday specific items in your shop, you will probably see a big spike in sales November and December, and that's all great, right? But come January, unfortunately, those sales are going to stop. So all of that momentum that you built up for the holidays is going to be done. So what's the best way to prep our shops for Q4? Well, it's to list evergreen products. And if you don't know what evergreen products are, basically they're products that sell all throughout the year and every year. And you have to remember that the holiday season is the biggest gift giving season of the year, right? And a lot of people go to Etsy to purchase gifts for their loved ones. And I don't know about you, but when I'm thinking about purchasing a gift for my loved ones, I am always thinking about like, what are their hobbies, what are their interests, and I try to find a product that relates to that. So that's what people are doing when they're coming to Etsy to shop for gifts during the holiday season. So maybe your uncle loves to play pickleball and you might want to purchase a pickleball shirt for him. Maybe your niece is a gymnast and you want to purchase her a shirt that says something about being a gymnast, or maybe a tote bag for a knitting lover. These products sell like crazy for the holidays, and then the best part is come January, it's not crickets in your shop, because these are the types of evergreen products that are selling all throughout the year and every year. So you're not going to lose that momentum. People will keep buying them all year long. Now, don't get me wrong, it is still worth it to list some Christmas products in your Etsy shops, and my two favorite are Christmas stockings and Christmas ornaments. And I'm actually going to be posting YouTube videos in the next month or so that will give you a longer tutorial on these products, but these are huge sellers and they can make you a ton of money. I'm talking 5-6 figures for some Etsy sellers just in the months of November and December. So you don't want to sleep on some of these viral holiday products. However, you want to be sure that you still are just continuing to stock your shops with these evergreen products. It's all about balance, right? But I'm gonna show you in Printify right now the 2 Christmas products that I do suggest so that you can start taking a look and diving into the research for these and listing them in your shop. But do come back soon for those full tutorials on how to do these. If you're still watching, can you do me a huge favor and comment "big mistake" in the comment section below? 1, this lets me know that you're still here with me, and 2, it helps boost engagement on this video, so thank you. Alright guys, first in Etsy, I want to show you some proof at how much money you can make selling Christmas stockings. So right now, you'll see that the monthly sales are pretty low, but I mean, it's literally the first week of September and they're already starting to sell. And the way I like to quickly find the ones that sold really well last year is by using my EVERBEE Chrome extension here. You can see the stats on each listing, and I like to take a look at the conversion rate and the amounts of views. Even if it has 0 monthly sales, this gives me a good indicator that it's going to be big sellers this year. And we can actually click into this listing even further. There's typically a graph here, but right now there's nothing to show because it made 0 sales last month. But I can pull this down and go to all time, so we can see that its biggest sales were around the Q4 season, and then it tapered off after. I want to take a look at this one here because it's been up for 68 months. So take a look. So in Q4 of 2022 it sold, then in Q4 of 2023 it sold, and then in Q4 of 2024 it sold. So you know Q4 of 2025 it's going to sell. It's definitely a seasonality product. It spikes during the Q4 season and then tapers off, but we know that it consistently sold over the last 3 years. So this year this type of product is going to do well once again. You can try out the EVERBEE Chrome Extension extension for free with the link in my description below. Also, while we're talking about EVERBEE, if you've been thinking of selling on another platform other than Etsy, especially if you don't want to put all of your eggs in that one Etsy basket, you never know what might happen to your shop. It's important to be listing in other places. The best option at this moment is EVERBEE Store. You can easily sync your Etsy listings to the EVERBEE Store, and EVERBEE Store is also integrated with PRINTIFY. So when you get an order through EVERBEE Store, it will be synced up to PRINTIFY, and just like Etsy, they will print the design on the product, package it up, and ship it to your customer for you. And the crazy thing is, you can literally have your store up and running in just a few minutes because it's powered by AI. So just a click of a button, you can have your Etsy listings transferred over. Or if you don't want to put up your Etsy listings, you can sell other things too, like handmade products, digital products, subscriptions and memberships. It's really great if you're a content creator or an influencer. Again, it is integrated with PRINTIFY and Hello Custom at the moment, and coming soon are all of these. And right now you can sign up for EVERBEE Store for $1 for the first 30 days to give it a try. I highly recommend, and I'm going to be putting out some full tutorials on how to set up and manage your EVERBEE Store, so be on the lookout for that as well. I will provide the link in my description below for that $1 for the first 30 months trial. Okay, now back to the research though. So I typed in Christmas ornaments. Again, we're gonna see a lot of zeros or, less than 20 monthly sales at the moment because people aren't shopping for them yet, but these will take off in the next coming months. And when you make your Christmas ornaments, make sure that you are doing them in all different niches. For example, this is in the book niche. This is for a new home gift. This is for people that just got married. This is for a baby's first Christmas. It's going to be really difficult to just put a Christmas image on an ornament and sell it. It's better to niche down and combine a trending product such as a Christmas ornament with a niche that is in demand. So now let's go into PRINTIFY so I can show you where to find these. All right, so PRINTIFY is the printing company that I use for all of my print-on-demand products. We're going to go to catalog here, and then over here, seasonal decorations. Now take a look at this one right here, $3.81. You cannot beat that. That's going to give you a really great profit margin. There's people selling ornaments for $24, $20, so you can make a really great profit margin with this price point. If you want to pay a little bit extra, $4.50, still not bad. And there are 4 different shapes that you can choose from here. This heart one might be really cute for, engagement ornaments or wedding ornaments. As you can see, there are many different options to choose from. I also really like this little sled ornament. However, the price point is a little bit higher, but you can make your price point higher too to make sure that you're still getting a decent profit margin. But this is unique and will stand out more on the Etsy platform than just a circle ceramic ornament. And then PRINTIFY also offers a good amount of stockings. There's 2 examples right here. And then there are some that ship, from the UK. So I mostly use the printers within the United States. So those first 2 that I showed you here are the ones that I use in my shops. Also, I'm going to make a tutorial soon on how to make these desktop calendars. These are huge sellers going into the new year. And again, the profit margin on these is insane because this starts at $4.66. You could sell these anywhere from like $20 to $25, and you're then making a very decent profit margin off of selling these. So the key takeaway here should be to not waste your time listing too many Christmas or holiday specific products in your Etsy shop. You want to mix evergreen products that will sell all year round, sprinkle in a little bit of those Christmas products, the stockings and the ornaments. Maybe occasionally, if you get a really great idea from your research to do like a Christmas sweatshirt that you think will be a bestseller, go for it. I'm not saying not to list any Christmas products at all, but it's definitely important to make it a good mix between those evergreen products and a little sprinkle of the Christmas products to give you that extra Q4 boost. And again, make sure that you subscribe if you haven't already, because I'm going to be putting out some really great videos featuring those Printify products that I just showed you, full tutorials on how to make them best sellers in your Etsy shop so that you can cash in on those extra sales this Q4 season. Also, if you feel like your shop should be making more sales than it is right now, there might just be a few tweaks that you need to make to your shop or to your listings, and it's important to do these things before the Q4 season so that you can make those extra sales, make sure that your shop is up and running properly. I am going to leave a link in the description below if you would like to sign up for a shop review. I will take a look at your shop. I will show you the things that you are doing right, the things that you are not doing right, and how you can fix those things so that you can be up and running for this holiday season. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Now, of course, there are more details to starting this business, so I've provided a free tutorial in my description below, a free course that's going to hold your hand step by step through this whole process so that you can get your shop up and running as soon as today.